Welcome to Signal to Alpha, your essential market briefing. I'm Lady Muriel, cutting through the noise to deliver what moves markets today. Let's get you your alpha before the opening bell. Today's executive brief. Senate Republicans are advancing major energy permitting reform that could reshape infrastructure development timelines. The Senate reversed its Iran war powers stance after an explosive Trump meeting, reducing geopolitical uncertainty. Micron's earnings sent tech futures soaring over 2%. But analysts say you're missing 5 critical rotation opportunities. And California faces a federal lawsuit over its Glock ban as the Justice Department invokes Second Amendment concerns. Let's start with energy policy. Senator Alan Armstrong of Oklahoma is pushing the American Energy and Mineral Infrastructure Act of 2026. This legislation would make FERC the lead federal agency for interstate pipelines and LNG terminals, preventing states from blocking federally approved projects. It streamlines NEPA reviews, expands EPA nationwide permits, and fast-tracks critical mineral mining on federal lands. The bill has backing from Republican senators and nearly 24 oil and gas companies. Armstrong argues this directly impacts U.S. competitiveness against China. For energy investors, this could meaningfully accelerate project development cycles. The Senate just delivered Trump a major victory on Iran. After passing a war powers resolution constraining presidential authority over a month ago, Republicans reversed course and rejected the measure. This followed a heated closed-door lunch where Trump and Senator Bill Cassidy clashed over Iran strategy. Trump argued the resolution weakened negotiating leverage with Tehran. The reversal reduces legislative constraints as the administration pursues a peace deal. Lower geopolitical risk premium for markets. Now the market opportunities you're missing. Citrini Research identifies 5 overlooked themes while Wall Street chases AI. First, airlines benefit from capacity constraints and World Cup tourism, with oil price normalization supporting margins. Second, senior living. The oldest boomers turn 80 this year. Occupancy hit 89.5% in Q1, and constrained supply generates high-margin revenue. Third, live events and physical experiences are booming post-pandemic. Fourth, and this is critical, CME's monopoly is ending. In March, S&P Dow Jones Indices licensed 24/7 equity index perpetuals, breaking decades of dominance. Citrini says short CME, CBOE, and ICE while buying adopters like Robinhood, Coinbase, and S&P Global. Fifth, buy now, pay later counters bearish sentiment. Micron reported blowout third-quarter earnings, stock surging 17% pre-market. The memory chip maker is showing improved revenue visibility. However, Bernstein analyst Mark Newman warns price ceiling provisions in these deals could limit upside. The S&P futures are at 73.58. NASDAQ futures up 2.09%. California legal battle brewing. The Justice Department threatened to sue over Assembly Bill 1127, the Glock ban, set to take effect July 1st. Assistant Attorney General Harmeet Dillon gave Governor Newsom until Tuesday evening to enter negotiations. Iraq is threatening to leave OPEC, unless the cartel increases its production quota. As the second-largest OPEC producer, Iraq's departure could significantly weaken cartel influence. Germany's pension commission recommended gradually raising retirement age to 70 by 2092. With Social Security insolvency projected within 6 years, expect this to intensify U.S. retirement age reform debates. That's your signal to alpha for today. Subscribe for tomorrow's essential market briefing. Trade smart, stay informed. Check us out at capitalcopilot.io.